Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In previous video we covered input data in Java by input stream reader class. And today we will see how to use scanner class to enter data in Java. So let's start with the scanner class. So here you can see I have listed here 4 ways to input data in Java. So we covered first two already and today we will see the scanner class. So let's see the steps how to use the scanner class. So very first step is the import java.util package. You have to import this package to use scanner class in your program. Okay. Second is to create object of scanner class. As you know how to create the object of any class. So this is the scanner class, this is the object name, here new, and again the class name. This object name can be any as per your choice, but you have to remember this name throughout your program. That means you have to use only this name whatever you have taken throughout your program. So let's suppose I have taken here SC. So in my program I will throughout the program I will use SC. Third step is types of data to be entered. Suppose I want to enter integer data. So how I will enter integer data with the scanner class? First I will declare the variable that is of integer type, and then I will give an appropriate message to the user like enter any number, and then I will use sc.nextInt. nextInt means next integer. And what is sc here? Sc is your scanner class object which you declared above. And what is n? N is your integer variable. Okay. And if you want to enter float, so how you will use? Again you will declare a variable of float type, and then you will use sc.nextFloat. Same way for double, nextDouble, and for string what you will use? Only next or nextLine. Okay, so let's see one example of this scanner class. Let's see class I have taken one. So what is the example? The coordinates you can see here. I have mentioned here the program. What is the program? The coordinates of 2 points A and B of a straight line are given as this: x1, y1 and x2, y2 as the input. That means you have to enter the values of x1, y1 and x2, y2. These are the coordinates of straight line. Write a program to calculate slope. That means we need to calculate slope, and the formula is given n equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That means we need to enter the values of x1, y1 and x2, y2, and what we need to calculate, that is slope, that is n. So first step is to import java.util package. Second is you have to create object of the scanner class. See here I have taken in as object of scanner class. So throughout the program I will use in. And here I have declared 4 variables of integer type. That means x1, y1, x2, y2. These values of these variables I have to enter. And what we need to calculate m, and it can be in decimal, so I have taken this m as a float. So for appropriate message, here enter the values of x1 and y1, and since these are the integer values, so obviously I have taken int dot nextInt, and for y1 also int dot nextInt, and for x2 and y2 again these are the integer values. And how to calculate slope, that n equals to this y2 minus y1, that formula is given above. And would be the output? System.out.println, the slope of line is m. Okay, so let's compile it. Let's do it. See here, enter the values of x1 and y1. Suppose I have taken 4 and 6. Enter the values of x2 and y2. That is 8 and 8 and suppose I have taken 10. So the slope of line is 1.0. So this would be the answer. So this was your one simple program, how to use scanner class. So in next class what we will see how to use command line argument. So thank you for watching the video.